Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone supports widgets, then go straight into action. Long press a blank area on your home screen until icons jiggle. This makes the interface editable. Once done, tap the plus icon in the top left to open the widget gallery. You will see size options, small, medium, large, so pick the size that fits your layout. Make sure to consider screen real estate. A large widget can replace 4 app icons and change how you access other apps. Next, you choose and configure the widget itself. In the gallery, search or browse to find the app you want. Swipe to preview available sizes and content. Tap Add Widget to drop it onto the home screen. Once placed, you can drag it to reposition, or while still in jiggle mode, tap the widget to open its configuration options. For example, select an account, choose a list, or set refresh frequency. This step ensures the widget displays the exact information you need. Finally, lock in your changes and verify the widget works. Tap Done or use your home gesture to exit jiggle mode. You should see live content updating. If the widget shows stale or no data, make sure the underlying app has permissions, background app refresh is enabled, and you are signed in. If problems persist, remove the widget and add it again, which forces a fresh connection. As a last resort, restart your iPhone. That often clears temporary glitches and restores normal widget behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.